If you need a cooler for your urban outdoor adventures, then check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I have a guest with me, and this is the high performance cooler from Titan. You remember other such products named after Titan, like the Titanic. This one is pretty cool, and I am hoping that this will carry my 6 packs of bee soda, whatever you want to keep cool, Tommy. So this one is pretty interesting. I wanted to give you a fairly close look at it because it's got a lot of really nifty features, and then we're going to put some bee soda in here and just see how many it holds. So first of all, what you can see here is that this is a cooler, so you can use some of those like ice packs. You can presumably just put regular ice in here. You know, it should be watertight. So first thing I want to show you here is that we get a lot of pockets, and this was actually important to me because I wanted to carry other stuff other than just the drink. So we get a couple pockets on the front here. I was thinking, you know, a jar of maraschino cherries or what have you. So we get this zipper pocket here, and I will just tell you that it seems like everything has this insulative rubberized lining, and you can see here, very squishy. I mean, that's like ½ inch of padding. So even if you put something in here, I think it's going to stay nice and cool. We also have zipper pulls with these little fluorescent bungees on there. And then on the front, we have another little pocket, a little sleeve that you can put stuff right in here. So utensils or straws or whatever you want. And then on this side, same thing, the little pocket there. And then another opening, looks like it's about the same size. So again, your accessories, your mixers, your Angostura bitters, whatever you might want to put in there. On this side, we actually have kind of like Molly-like straps. So there's going to be a lot of places to clip stuff on. That's actually on all 4 corners, as far as I can tell. So pretty interesting. And then on this side, we have an expandable mesh pocket, as well as on this side. So if you have water bottles, something that you want at the ready, you can put them in there. You can have easy access to it. You can see what's there. On the back here, and supposedly when you're carrying this, say over your shoulder, and it's bouncing up on your body, this has mesh material. It's kind of like the back of a backpack here, and it is like a jersey material. It's also very padded, so it should breathe and be very comfortable. It should be easy on your hips. Now, I want to show you the pulls up here. These are very nice. So you can see little rings as well as the fluorescent pulls on the zipper, metal hardware right up there too. And then if I just get the handle out of the way here and just throw that to the back, what I want to show you here is that we have a couple of straps here so you can carry it like a tote, but these straps don't have your normal loop around Velcro. What they have are 2 magnets in here. So they go together like this. That kind of holds them together. Obviously, they're only going to hold as strong as the magnets are, but it's kind of nice because they kind of want to stay together, and then when you are putting this down, you don't have to worry about them coming apart. They're not going to separate and just be everywhere, and you're always going to be trying to grab them. They will stay together, so when you're grabbing again quickly, they're going to be right there together. Now on the top here, what's really interesting is that this top is zipper top, so it'll open up just like this. The flap goes up there. I want to close this up for a second here because there's the second top, and that is this flap right here where we have this little rubberized loop. You can stick your finger in there, but I can just pull this up, and as you can see, there's Velcro all the way around, and then a big insulated piece of padding up here. And now I can just quickly get to things, right? So you may have experienced how tough it is to, oh, where is that zipper? Take this, open it up. You're venting all the air out of there, but you just want to quick grab one of your frosty beverages, and so now you can do that. And in fact, what I have here is a banquet drink, and as you can see, this fits in there no problem. Plenty of space on either side, just like this and like this. So if that's in there, I can get your standard can out of the bag very, very easily. And then you just close that up. So no zippers to fuss with. Just open it and close it just like that. Oh, so satisfying. All right, but when you're loading this thing up, you just want as much space as possible. You can see the inside there. But now, again, all this blue rubberized material, super padded. I mean, ½ inch of padding everywhere. I mean, this thing will stay cold for a very long time, or hot, presumably. And as you can see, no seams or anything, so I think this thing will be watertight. If you do put regular ice in here, I think you can just pour that out a little bit later. So I really love that. We also have some loops in here, and then if I pull on this loop right here, you can see we have a pocket that goes all the way down to the bottom, and that's where you can put in those ice packs. So those flat ice packs, they stay out of the way. You don't have them falling down. You don't have them getting in mixed in with the rest of the stuff or accidentally being pulled out. So what I think you'll want are kind of those panel ones that are about this big and flat. Freeze those, put those in your freezer, put those in the back here, and then load up the front. And you can see this comes out here, so it's going to be really easy. If you do put regular ice or something, you can dump that out. You have access to it, right? But if you don't put anything in there and you're just letting the cold drinks maintain the coolness themselves, then you can throw them in there and it doesn't take up any extra space. So how many cans can I get into this cooler? Let's find out. All right, so what I want to show you here is that my 12-pack of Coors Banquet is deployed and ready to rock. I have a full 12-pack in there, 6 on the bottom, 6 on the top. I actually have a little extra space, which is perfect because I probably will put those ice packs in there. Now I just close this up and I am ready to rock. You know, a banquet is coming with me. And again, I don't need to open up the top. I can just grab this, grab a can, just like that. Oh, so delicious. It's gonna be my new best friend. And when I'm ready to go, not only can I carry it like this, but I have this arm strap here, and this is very padded itself because everything else on this package is padded. And what I wanna show you is we have these silicone lines on here, so it's very grippy. It should stay on your shoulder, but what makes this really cool is it's got this topographical map look. So I guess it's meant for outdoors. So now I've got my Coors Banquet in my cooler on my shoulder. I'm ready to rock. I'm ready to go out in the wilderness and be stuck for days, because I have 12 meals with me. Banquets, literally. So, hey, if you want to pick up the Titan of coolers so that you can take your drinks with you wherever you go and have ready access to them through the quick grab top, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than